Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a group in Splitwise. Now, the first thing I want you to do is just launch Splitwise. And here at the bottom, you'll see 4 different options. And I want you to click on the one at the bottom left. It says groups, okay? This one right here. And then you want to click on start a new group. You can name your group anything you want. So you can also go ahead and choose the type as well. So I'll choose trip and we'll name this London. Okay. You can add trip dates if you want, or you can toggle this one off. And then you can choose a start date if you want to add trip dates. We'll do it from the 5th of August and we will end it on the 13th of August. There we go. And then if you want, you can add an image right there through your gallery. And then if you don't want to do that, you can just click on done. There you go. Our group has been created. Now you can decide to add members just by clicking that and adding your friends. But that is how you create a group in Splitwise.